Hey Monopoly Go players, maybe you are taking a break or just want a fresh start. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Monopoly Go account. Let's go. First, open the app and tap on the three line at top right corner. This opens the drop down menu. There you will see settings down. Tap it. Here where all the account options live. And you will see there manage account. Tap it. You will see multiple options there. You will see account deletion. Tap it. Account will show you an article. After reading it, if you are sure about deleting your account, tap delete my account or you can delete app directly. And that's it. Your Monopoly Go account will be deleted once support confirms. If this video helped, please like, subscribe and ring the bell for more helpful game guides.